Hey besties, guess who's officially out of the office? Y'all are probably wondering.
Girl, where are you? Because that's definitely not your bedroom.
Since it's officially the last weekend of summer, my boyfriend and I booked a trip, packed our bags, and drove all the way to Vacation City, South Padre Island. This is sadly my one and only summer trip this summer since I've been working so much, so I'm definitely trying to make the best of it. We're actually staying here at Margarita Resort in SPI. It's actually so nice here. I've never been here before, so this is my very first time actually in SPI and here at Margaritaville. Like, as soon as we checked in, we literally got a complimentary margarita. Like, beach, please. Our room honestly gives beachy vibes. Not only that, but the view from our mini balcony is honestly so beautiful. You can see like the pool and everything, and you can also see the ocean from afar. Anyways, besties, today is actually our very first official day here in SPI, and we're gonna go to McAllen in the morning, and I'm not sure what we're gonna do throughout the day, but I know that's our objective for the morning. But before we go anywhere, we're definitely gonna go get some iced coffee. We're actually gonna go try this bakery place called Sunrise Bakery. I've seen it all over my TikTok and it looks so good, so that's where we're going before we're hitting McAllen. So let's go start our day off right with an iced coffee.
To Sunrise Bakery.
Done eating at Sunrise Bakery, and honestly really good. I give it a 9 out of 10. I got a brown sugar latte and my boyfriend got a caramel latte, and I got a apple cinnamon muffin. It honestly tasted like fall, and it made me sad because fall is almost here, so we're trying to enjoy the last days of summer. But anyways, my boyfriend ended up getting a berry Danish and he finished that shit before I even got to get any more videos, so I'm sure it was good. But now we're actually gonna head to McAllen. My boyfriend wants to add some things to his chain, so I'm not gonna record that, but I definitely wanted to go to Best Buy to buy a GoPro, considering the fact that we're gonna be going to a water park on the beach probably tomorrow. So I want to get that camera today so we can play with it for a little bit and try to figure it out, and then we'll definitely use it when we go to the water park. But I will see y'all when we go to Best Buy. So we're trying to figure out which GoPro to get, but it looks like we're gonna go with this one, which is the Hero 13 Black. Probably just the camera and not the one with the gimbal, because we definitely don't have the money for this one. But they do have it for this one. And it's only for like the beach and the water park, so that one should be good. Also definitely getting all the essentials. So we secured the bag. We ended up going with the Hero 13 in black. So I'm hoping that we get to play with it for a little bit. I know we're probably gonna go to the beach, so that'll be like the first time I actually use this camera, but I'm so excited to use this camera. I've never used a GoPro, so this is a first for me, but I'm glad that we ended up getting one because now I can record going to the water park and going to the beach without using my DJI, considering that it's not waterproof. But I'm so excited. Now we're actually gonna go get some lunch and then we'll probably head back to the room, but I will see y'all whenever we're getting our food. Got back to the room. We went to go eat at Umaya. I definitely recommend y'all go try that place if y'all are into sushi or anything hibachi or teriyaki, because it is amazing. It's like an all-you-can-eat and it's great. We go there every time, whether it's in San Antonio, McAllen, or even in Corpus, but I definitely recommend that place. I don't know what we're gonna do for the next 2 hours, but we have a reservation at Liam's at 5:30 with some of our friends, and that's where we're gonna go. But right now, I guess we're gonna chill and probably take a nap because I'm literally so tired and I feel like I'm gonna be in a food coma. So as for that, I don't know what else. All I know is that I actually want to go swimming and or to the beach in the evening because it feels the best in the evening. So we'll see how that goes. But for now, I won't pick up the camera until we're probably going to dinner or if something spontaneously happens. Got done eating at Liam's. It was honestly really good. I ended up getting a pasta with some steak, and then we ended up sharing a little chocolate cake. But now that we're back, we're actually gonna go swimming at the pool. There's not that many people there, so we're gonna try to enjoy as much as we can. And I'm actually gonna try out my GoPro, so I'll be switching from this camera to my GoPro. So I'll see you at the pool. morning, besties. Today is officially day 2 of our SPI trip, and this morning we woke up a little late because we're dead ass tired from the pool last night. The pool doesn't close till 11, so we were there from like 8:30 to closing, so we're definitely all tired. That's why we got up late. But as of right now, we're supposed to go eat breakfast. I'm not sure where we're gonna go eat breakfast at because I'm not familiar with SPI like that. So I know we're gonna go get breakfast, and then right after, we're actually gonna go to the beach. We're actually gonna quickly come to the room and pack our bag, and then get dressed, and then we're gonna go to the beach. I'm honestly excited. We were supposed to go to the water park, but unfortunately, we're not gonna go anymore because we realized we would spend most of our day there than anywhere else. So that's why we're not doing it. But let's actually go get some coffee and let's go get some breakfast. We can get this day started. Back from eating breakfast, we're actually gonna put our bathing suits on real quick, and I'm gonna pack my beach bags of stuff that we're gonna need for the beach. We actually stopped at HEB, but I didn't record anything because it was like really quick because we want to barbecue on the beach. So we got a bunch of essentials like fruit, we got some meat and all that stuff. But right now we're gonna quickly change so we can head to the beach. When it comes to wearing bathing suits, I'm deadass very subconscious because I'm not like a huge girl, but I'm not a small girl either. So when it came to actually finding a bathing suit that fit me, it took a while. Like, we had to go to this specific store in San Antonio because they had sizes for bigger girls, but it was really hard wearing a bathing suit. So I'm just gonna wear it in confidence. Like, I really don't care what I look like in a bathing suit as long as I feel confident. So we're gonna do that. I'm actually wearing a bikini for like the first time in years. So let's go quickly get dressed and then let's pack our beach bag and let's head to the beach. So we just got back from the beach. We were there for like almost the whole afternoon. We got there almost around 1. Then we stayed till like 4 o'clock. But we got here, we took a shower, and we were gonna go mini golfing, but the place already closed because it's already 7 and it closed at 6:30. So now we're actually gonna go eat. We're gonna go eat at an Italian restaurant. I'm honestly excited about it because Italian is one of my favorites. So right now I'm getting ready. I just got out of the shower because the ocean does my hair dirty. So that's about it as of right now. I'm not sure what we're gonna do after dinner, but of course I'm taking y'all along with me. So I think the place we're going to is Gabriella's. So, and of course we're going with our friends that came with us to the beach. So yeah, my face is like so burnt. I don't know if y'all can see it, but like I didn't put sunscreen on my face, so my face is burnt and I dead ass need aloe vera, but we don't have any. But let's actually go to dinner.
that's the.
One last view of paradise before we leave this morning. Always ready to leave. Unfortunately, our vacation has come to an end and we're officially on our way home. We actually went to go stop and eat breakfast in Far, Texas before we take off because we definitely have a long 4-hour drive on the way to my hometown. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video and I hope I see y'all in the next one. Hopefully it's a fall video. I know I just restarted my channel and I know I took down a lot of videos, but I promise you I'm trying to come back like 10 times stronger, even though my work schedule is the absolute worst. But I'm definitely going to try to put out better content for you guys. But I didn't intentionally want to start my channel again with the summer video, but since it's going to be the last vacation for a while, I might as well just film it right. But I'll definitely see y'all in the next video and I love you guys. Besitos, bye besties.